Hello everyone and welcome back to the NVIA Panel User Manual. Today we are going to talk about module pricing. Module pricing consists of three sub-modules: Overview, Prices, AZ Lists. Let's start with the guide through the Overview section. In this place, we are equipped by Engine to compare provider by rates per destination, detect outliers and prepare exports before sharing with the commercial team. The Overview tab offers a detailed report on pricing per country and MCC, so it makes really transparent to adjust best to the budget. Let me show you how it works based on example. We select destination. We select type of route. Master provider. Click on search. What we receive is a comprehensive list of providers for this destination and networks. In this very transparent way, we can compare the prices between the providers and between networks. Of course, everything can be exported and saved in the following formats. Another submodel is prices. Prices consist of two sections, provider and customer. Provider section is overviews the all providers registered in the platform. Here we have a full list of the providers. Everything can be exported and saved in the following formats. Please pay attention that one provider can have few accounts. Account for direct quality routes, account for wholesale quality route, account for SIM quality route, account for SS7 quality route, account per submitted, account per delivered. In the column Actions, we find a wide capabilities, starting with details. When we click, we receive a full list of providers, destinations, and prices. Every destination, every network can be viewed, edited, deleted, and checked history. We can also make change of price for a country and all networks with a one-click, literally. Let me show you how it works. We click on country price change. We select destination. We set the new price. We click on Apply Changes. Back to details. As you see, the new price for Greece has been just updated. Okay, let's back to the providers. Another button is new. Here we can add a specific destination and select specific network or select default and set the price and click on create. Another button is import. Here we upload the file with rates we have from provider. We click on it. We select the file and upload it, and then we save prices. Next button, export. It is used to export full price list of the provider. We save it in the following formats. And finally, button configurations. Here we can, in a very easy, smooth way, automate the pricing process. Let me show you how it works. We click on configurations. Here we insert email from the provider. Here we select a suitable separator. In case the file is in CSV format, we select a suitable encoding. We select date format. We insert header line. And then next step, provider detection configuration. So we select the suitable option, provider itself, file name, subject, body, file content with row and column. We can also insert the word. Then we select file and upload it. Afterwards, we click on Save Configurations. After successful process, all rate notifications from the provider will be updated in panel automatically. You can also add a new destination and new price or import upload the file by clicking over here. Okay, now let's move to the customer section. Here we have an overview of clients with configured pricing. One customer can have few accounts for direct quality routes, for wholesale quality routes, for SIM quality routes, for SS7 quality routes, per submit, per delivered. If we move to the column actions, we find wide capabilities. Let's start with the details. Here we have a full list of destinations, networks, prices for the customer. Every destination can be viewed, edited, deleted, checked history. We can also change a flat price for certain destination exactly the same way we were doing in sections provider. Let me show you. Country price change. No. Apply changes. Back to details. Okay, as you can see, the new price for Greece has been just updated. Effective date today. Back to the clients. Another button is new. When we click on it, we can see that from here we can also add a specific destination, a specific network, or select default and set the price and create. So from here we can add a single destination manually. Another button, import. So here we can upload the file with pricing. We select file, upload, and save. Another button is AZ list. Here in fast way we can copy prices from AZ list for the customer and apply certain categories. AZ list is a next sub-model of pricing model we will be talking about, and you can find it over here. Let's click now on AZ list. Master provider, type of route, the selected customer, and here we have the filters. We select the specific country, or we can leave all countries. And we also select the mode, override, best price, only new. When we decide, we click on copy AZ list prices. According to our choices, the prices from the AZ list will be updated after clicking on copy AZ list prices. Okay, back to the price clients. Next button, export. Here we can export and save full prices in the following formats. Another button, email. From here, we send the price updates to our customers. Over here, we insert a customer's email. We select a file format and we click on send email. Okay. One more thing. In this place, you can also add a new price for new destination for specific customer. Also, by clicking here, you can import the file for specific customer. And also from here, you can copy from AZ list. Now we can move to the another last but not least submodule, AZ list. It's a feature that can be used for general catalog of pricing per destination assigned to the master provider. It can be used for commercial purposes to give a general overview of default prices without personalizations. Of course, we can add new price, we can import and upload the file. We can always view the existing configurations from the list. We can edit, make changes, we can delete and check history. Everything also can be exported and saved in the following formats. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and find it helpful. In case of any questions to the pricing module, do not hesitate to contact us. And see you next video.